तो बात ऐसी है, ये वीडियो बनाने की मेरी औकात इतनी सी भी नहीं है, पर मैं बनाऊंगा फिर भी, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कि अगर तुम कुछ सोचते हो और तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम सही सोच रहे हो तो तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड टू स्पीक अप. तो मैं बोलूँगा. The difference between JEE Advanced, Mains and Nalle people. I freaking love Ashish sir. In my humble but ever so right opinion, as I go to a tuition called the Expert Tutor Academy, I go primarily because of Ashish sir. He qualified advanced and went to IIT Kharagpur. This might not seem humongously big on paper, but mind you, this is a national feat. What I understand by looking and talking to him is the difference between different kinds of students. For example, JEE Mains is a relatively easy thing to qualify if you practice surface level / repeated concepts XYZ times. You will more than likely grab 99 percentile in the mains exam. I am saying that mains is comparatively superiorly easy compared to advanced, where advanced is a different league. Just 10 to 20% of the people who attempt mains qualify to give the advanced exam. Topping advanced is an unforgivable different league all in itself. But then there is the Nalle league. Those who start their preparation T-15 days with Alak Pandey's YouTube videos of 15 days master plan for 99.9 percentile plus. Yet there is a commonality between the Nalle and the advanced toppers. It's the ability to ask doubts. You see, asking doubts is on par to the most powerful thing ever. Asking doubts is a Superman ability. The one who asks doubts is the smartest person in the room. However, the quality of these doubts plays a critical role in this process. Nalle people, of course, ask Nalle doubts, and advanced people ask advanced doubts. The right doubt is the quality of it. I see that it is the difference because the Nalle in my class ask pretty stupid, pretty dumb questions. There's no harm in asking dumb questions. I'm trying to say there's a stark difference in these questions, in principles of quality. Ashish sir is clearly an advanced level fellow due to his ability to grasp, process, yes, process twice, answer, process. He processes the whole thing thrice, while the average mains fellow does once and Nalle people do minus processing. The mains people like XYZ are not bad. They don't lack advanced thinking skills. They just have saturated their minds with the same questions again and again. They're not interested in why. They're interested in the how. They just know कि this is how the question looks. There are 6 ways to solve it. एक तो लग ही जाएगा ना. So they're not thinking. They're just writing. They are robots. But Ashish sir can hold a lot of information. I like to think of his information processing skills like a Google Chrome thing. Every time you say something to Ashish sir, tick, a plus tab opens in his mind somewhere. Like you can see that you say something to him, you can just see that he has just opened a new window of processing, and all these thoughts, all these tabs are piled up in his brain before anything about that information changes, and he can process it all the same even after the change. It's a true advanced qualifier. Even in class, if there are 15 people, everyone asks a different doubt. Like he'll remember your doubt like 6 hours later and be like, that's how you do it. And it's always so surprising to me. That's why I think he's a true advanced qualifier, and his ability to think of critical thinking is at a superposition level. And I find it intriguingly satisfying. It's very amusing to see him think, भाई ये ऊपर से आंटी जी पानी भेज, fucking साफ कर, ए पानी मत फेंको मेरे ऊपर. What I'm trying to say is, ask better quality doubts. Dumb doubts are okay for Nalle. Advanced doubts create advanced thinking skills, because there is a difference between JEE Advanced, Mains and Nalle people. This was written by Soham Gupta on the 12th March of 2024 at 6:44 a.m. The thing was on 7th, I had written the last one. 8th, I was just very tired and feeling like kind of sad and whatever. so I didn't write it. 9th को I fought someone, so I didn't feel like writing. 10th I felt the same. 11th I was like 3 दिन नहीं लिखा है, चौथे दिन नहीं लिखूंगा, कोई मर नहीं जाएगा, so I didn't write it. That's where we are. Thank you for watching a Soham Gupta video. Physics test went fine today. I'm going to study chemistry and maths and try getting very good scores there. Bye. Thank you for watching a Soham Gupta production. Take care.